Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can add a loyalty card to your Apple Wallet. So why use it? It's super convenient and no need to carry a plastic card. Just double tap on your iPhone's power button to scan your loyalty cards and stores. So method number one is to add it through a official loyalty app. You can simply open up your wallet application and then tap on this plus icon. Now, you'll notice there's no direct loyalty card option. Instead, you can go ahead and download your store's official app. For example, Tesco, Club Card app, etc. Log into your account inside the app and then look for an option that says Add to Apple Wallet. Tap to add and then now it appears in your wallet. You'll see your loyalty card appear when you double-click the side button. In my case, I don't have it, but if you do, you can simply add your loyalty cards that way. And that's it. Now you have added loyalty card to your iPhone's Apple Wallet. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.